question is FIR under section 498A 506 DP 3/4 filed in Bareilly in August 2019. Got stay from Allahabad High Court on 17th December 2019 and referred to mediation. 313, 323, 504, 120 be added on 12th December 2019 on the basis of fabricated that dated November 18 medical prescription by a private doctor in Bareilly. Charge sheet not prepared. Query 1. If mediation fail in Allahabad High Court, do I need to take AB till charge sheet is submitted? What are the options before me to counter 313? I have copy of false medical prescription. The date on which the prescription was made. The girl was traveling for 7 hours from Delhi to Bareilly. As this prescription is from a private doctor, it does not come in the definition of MLC. So I believe that you will get benefit in 313. Even at the stage of arguing for your anticipatory bail, it will be beneficial for you. I doubt that the bail will be denied on this ground. However, if by any reason bail is denied at Allahabad High Court, you should definitely take your chances in Supreme Court. Secondly, now coming to your queries, if mediation fails, do we take the AB till charge sheet is submitted? As per the latest rulings of Supreme Court, anticipatory bail once granted is normally valid till the completion of the trial. So you should rather ask for anticipatory bail with such conditions only, and you should not argue only for anticipatory bail till charge sheet. Now, what are the options before you to counter 313? As I have already stated that it is not an MLC. In fact, there can be a very strong counter to this, and which has been done once in the past by some other team members, and I was very much a part of it. We had complained against the doctor to the Medical Council of India and the State Medical Council, and for issuing such false certificate and not referring such patient to either a government hospital or calling the police at that time. So this is a breach of professional duties which a doctor has done, and Medical Council of India had taken action against that doctor, and his certificate to practice was taken back, and he also had to face other cases also. Now, in that particular case, after that, the boy settled the matter with the girl, and I don't know what happened to that case. But after that, because I had asked this gentleman to make it as a benchmark case, so that, or landmark judgment, so that other doctors get affected by it and they don't issue false certificates. But I am sure that if you wish, I'll try to find out if I have all the documents which we prepared available somewhere online. I'll try to forward it to you so that you can take corrective actions right now.